Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. आग तेज कर दो. Second, stir constantly until it condensed. Stir constantly until it condensed. हिलाते रहो जब तक ये गाढ़ा ना हो जाए. इसे हिलाते रहो जब तक ये गाढ़ा ना हो. 3. The curry is very delicious. The curry is very delicious. सालन बहुत मज़े का है. 4. Don't drink water while standing. Don't drink water while standing. खड़े होकर पानी मत पियो. 5. Dry all the washed utensils. Dry all the washed utensils. सब धुले हुए बर्तनों को खुश कर दो. 6. When will the food be ready? When will the food be ready? खाना कब तैयार होगा. 7. Don't gulp your food. Don't gulp your food. खाना हड़प कर मत खाओ. 8. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. भरे मुंह बात मत करो. 9. Kindly pass me that. Pass me that. Kindly pass me that or hand me that. बराह मेहरबानी मुझे वो पकड़ाना. जैसे कि आप कुछ भी मांग रहे हैं. नमक. Kindly pass me that salt. Hand me salt. So आप इस तरह कह सकते हैं. The last one is 10. Chop the onions for salad. Chop the onions for salad. सलाद के लिए प्याज काट दो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.